Storyals' unique learning concept is designed for today's modern workforce that prefer to learn from field-leading experts at their own convenience. An experienced productivity coach guides your users through the various apps in Microsoft 365 and helps them unlock their digital potential. Leveraging the power of storytelling and real-world examples, users can immediately apply what they've learned to work smarter and accelerate results. With Storyals Lite, you can provide your users with access to Storyals' continuously updating learning content through a pre-populated Storyals SharePoint site available for your users right from within your own Microsoft 365 environment. In addition to the story-based training videos from Storyals, the site also includes Microsoft Learning Pathways, a rich collection of how-to videos ideal for looking up specific functions. Storyals Lite is the best option if your organization has already invested in a learning management system. Our technical team can help you integrate the Storyals learning content into your own learning solution so that you get the best possible return on your investments. With the Storyals Lite, you can ensure your users have access to the essential learning they need to excel in the digital workplace.